Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. Today we will be reviewing platforms for beginners, the best trading platforms for beginners. And yes guys, I'm not trading on these platforms myself anymore, however I already have accounts and I have created these accounts about 4 or 5 years ago when I started trading. But I will show you these platforms, and I know guys, if you are new, and most of you who will be watching this video, you are absolutely new to trading. I have picked these two platforms because these two platforms are available worldwide. That is the first thing. You can trade them worldwide. This means that if you will be, for example, traveling and you would want to trade, you will be able to use these platforms for trading. So as these are very reputable platforms, this means that these are not scams or some new platforms or something what nobody knows. These are very known platforms and they have huge funds in these two platforms. One of these platforms will be simply for trading and another platform will be for social trading. And guys, have been there myself when I was researching lots of different trading platforms. And if you are a new trader, as you noticed in title of this video, this is the best trading platforms for beginners. I created this video exactly for you guys if you are just starting out, because like I mentioned, I have been there. If you will start out with interactive brokers, for example, platforms like that, you will be very confused because you will not be able to know how to use them and it is quite complicated. If you haven't been trading at all, you have to start somewhere, and these two are the best platforms where if you are a new beginner or beginner trader, where you can start out and when you can start understanding how trading works. Like I mentioned guys, I have been there, I have done it all guys, I have tried all trading platforms and I have accounts pretty much in every trading platform which is out there. Today let's have a look at these platforms, and by the way guys, have a look at my channel. I changed a little bit design here. Let me know what you think about my channel. I made this banner better and I created these playlists so it's easy for you to come in. And if you are following trading and you want to know everything about trading, where I'm creating, you can see here is the playlist trading tutorial for beginners, where I'm explaining everything from the very beginning. And now I'm getting into trading platforms for beginners, and then I will show you other trading platforms for United States, and I will show you trading platforms for Europe if you are interested in those platforms, but those will be more complicated platforms. These two trading platforms are available everywhere, and first one is eToro. This is a social trading platform, and this platform is very good if you are just starting out because you can even follow and copy other people trades. I am now logged in, this is my account, however I will leave links to these both trading platforms in description of this video, and those will be my referral links. If you are interested, you can click on these. If not guys, you can just type in etoro.com and the other platform which I will show you in a second. But in general, this is very easy to trade. They have here different markets which you can trade. As you can see on top, we have future markets. Here then we have cryptocurrencies. If you would be interested, you click on crypto. You can trade ETFs or exchange tradable funds. You can trade stocks here. You can trade indices, commodities and currencies. So currencies, this is forex market. If you scroll down, you can see market movers, crypto coins like Bitcoin, Mayota, BNB or Binance Coin, Dash, Gram, Litecoin and so on and so forth. Here is crypto crosses, technology like Zanga, and these are technology stocks like Zanga, Facebook, S&P, and financial and indices and major currencies and my major currency pairs. This is forex market. And commodities, cocoa, palladium, Nadga, oil and so on and so forth, and ETFs. Here we have watch list. Here you can create your own watch list, and these used to be my watch list which I was watching guys, and here was also people which you are watching. Like I mentioned, you can copy other people trades by using eToro platform. Then you have your portfolio. If you would be trading, all your trades would be here. If you, for example, buying and selling. Another thing is that these platforms are not only available all around the world in all countries, but they allow you to long and short. This means that, for example, longing means that you are buying when price is low, and when price is going up, you are selling and making profit. And shorting is opposite. If you think that price will be going down or price will be falling, you are shorting. And when price has gone down, you have made a profit, then you take profits, guys. That's the difference between buying and selling or longing and shorting. So then we have newsfeed, and newsfeed is also very very good feature built in eToro platform, guys, exactly because of reasons that these traders who are trading on this platform, so as you, if you are interested, you can make your news articles, what you think about particular asset, whether it will go up, it will go down, and so on and so forth. So community is sharing their news, so as people are able to follow you here, and you are able to follow other people and so see what they are trading. Here you can see discover trade markets. We were there just a second ago with all these markets. Here also we have tab copy people. If we click in this one at the very top, it is loading. At the very top you will see profitable traders. As you can see, this one Johano CNH, he is profitable 42.53%, guys. Then next one Ruby MZA is profitable 21.25%. So you can click on them and you can copy their trades. You can get in them, you can have a look at his feed, for example, for this guy. It is in Chinese, but you can see anyway, if we go into his portfolio, you can see that he is buying and selling gold. He's selling gold and he's selling silver, and you can copy his trades if you are interested. Here on the right top corner there is the button copy. This platform is very good, guys, and it is very easy to use. There is no complications with graphics, with all these charting, complicated charting, but this is as simple as possible. The next platform which we are going to review, as you can see, it logged me out already, so I need to log in. And now I am logging in, guys. Next platform is Plus 500, and this is also this is 1.6 billion worth platform, guys, and this is also one of the oldest platforms out there. This is one of the easiest platforms to use. Here you can simply see that here are markets. Here you can see change. This is second, whether this asset has been growing in price or falling in price. USA 500, it grew up by 109.39%. So if you would invest $100, you would make $200. I believe that most of you who will be watching this video, you have some trading experience or you have some charting experience. However, these two platforms are very easy to understand. Always two particular assets which you are going to trade, and all assets are listed here on, sorry guys, all assets are listed here on the left hand side. Most popular at the top. Then is all popular options, and Russell and Fowler's, my favorites, and then you can see commodities. This is first asset. Then we have here indices, and then we have here cryptocurrencies which you can trade. You can click and check all cryptocurrencies, whatever you can trade. Then we have forex markets or foreign exchange or currency pairs you can trade also here. And then we have options here, and so on and so forth, guys. You scroll here, shares USA, shares UK, shares Australian, shares German. And if, for example, you would want to trade some asset like I mentioned, let's go to cryptocurrencies, for example. I will scroll a little bit back up, guys. Cryptocurrencies, let's click in, and let's say we would want to sell or buy Bitcoin. It is also fairly simple. You can see Bitcoin. Here is only one button, sell or buy. Sell is if you are going to short it, you click it, and if you want to buy, you click it and you are able to buy. Here is some important update. I have to accept this, guys, because like I mentioned, I am not using these platforms myself currently. I am currently myself trading only cryptocurrencies, and I'm using totally different platforms which are related with Bitcoin. And most of you who are watching my videos, guys, you know that I am crypto enthusiast and I am using Bitcoin. So as in trade, I am also trading in Bitcoin, so my money doesn't go through banks. So yes, these are two platforms which I wanted to share with you guys, and these are the most easy to use platforms. If you are new to trading, then don't get into these complicated platforms at the very beginning like interactive brokers. However, I will be listing in my future videos European brokers, and I will be also listing USA brokers, because there are many USA brokers currently which doesn't allow Europeans. Starting from last year, second half of the last year, they don't allow Europeans to join them for some reason. I'm not sure what is going on there, but I will check it out, guys, and in my next videos, like I mentioned, I will be showing you platforms from Europe and United States, and separately I probably shortly will list also UK platforms, because now UK has separated from European Union and they have a little bit different rules of trading probably. However, till the end of 2020 they are going only to implement these rules, so we don't know what will happen with UK. Currently UK is implementing all rules in regards to European Union, so they have to separate away from European Union, and the end of 2020 we only will be able to know what will happen there and how it will work. However, trading platforms always stay online, guys, and it doesn't really affect trading platforms if they allow you to register to those platforms. So yes guys, stop rambling. If you found it useful, leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in comments, and see you in the next one.